There are various ways to join Sage Q&A Live. You can join through the Help Center directly. Simply select your product, scroll down, and there you will see a banner for Sage Q&A Live with a button that says Join Now. Click the button to join the session. Alternatively, continue to scroll and you will see Sage Q&A Live as an option in the Contact Us section. Again, click Join Now. You can also join through the article. When searching for articles, type in Q&A in the search bar. Select the article from the list. Within there, click Join Live Q&A Now, and that will take you to the product section. You can also join directly through the product. Here in Sage 50 Accounts, you will see an option for Sage Q&A Live on the home screen, and you're able to click Join Now. When you click that, a web page will appear with the Get in Touch options with Sage Q&A Live as recommended. You can also join directly through the website www.sage.com/UK/QA. Simply type it here in your web browser, and this will take you directly to the Sage Q&A Live landing page. Once there, simply choose which product you wish to ask a question about. So we have Sage 50 Cloud Accounts, Sage Payroll including MicroPay, and Sage Business Cloud. Once you've selected your product, simply enter your name and email address and click Join Webinar in Progress. This will take you directly into the session. Once in the session, click on the question icon to submit your question. Simply type the question in the white box at the bottom. Don't worry if you make a mistake, Backspace will clear this as any other typing service. Then simply click Send. The answer to your question will appear below it, and the question box will appear blue. Underneath the question icon, you can click on the chat icon to see any announcements or important messages the team have sent to everybody. You will also get a little pop-up on screen as a banner at the top. Please bear in mind these are not replies to your questions, these are simply announcements or important messages we wish to tell everybody. You can also click on the handout icon below that to view various documents we have uploaded. As seen here, we have an FAQ document which goes through frequently asked questions within the session. These are updated weekly and can be viewed at any time at your leisure. Videos and Q&A Live TV will appear in the main area next to your questions. As shown here is an example of Sage Q&A Live TV, where we appear on webcam to discuss various different options, there are various different products, and to show little quick wins and product demonstrations. Here is an example of a pre-recorded video we play. If you'd like to know when each video is played and when Q&A Live TV is on, search in the Sage knowledge base for Q&A Live schedules, and you'll be able to see what's playing at what time on each day. These are uploaded weekly so you can plan your week ahead. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the session soon.